18. Okay, so we're looking at step 4 here, which is once you've turned in your chart. So your chart should be done. All right, and I'm looking at my chart, and my chart's not done. So I'm going to take a second and fill that. Oh, no, my chart is done. Over here. I'm looking at my chart. This is the order. Let's see if I can move this away so you can all see my chords. This is the order that I've decided to choose my chords. 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 6 chord, 3 chord, 2 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord. Right. That's an order that I thought sounded nice. Remember, we need the 5 to 1 at the end. The 5 chord goes to the 1, but all the other chords you can choose yourself in any order that you think might sound cool. Right. Notice I have the root, the third, and the fifth. I'm going to choose these notes, these 3 notes, and I'm going to put them into 4 voicings. Soprano, alto, tenor, bass. This is what my chorale looks like when I've arranged it already. So I've basically just taken the notes that were here. I said, oh, I need a C. I went to my chorale, and I put a C down here in the bass. C, G, C, E. That covers all of the notes in this one chord that I've made. Now, if you're setting up your chorale, you can go to Note Flight, Create, and you're going to want to scroll down to where it says Choir SATB, and we can make it, we're not going to choose the reduction. Well, you can either choose the reduced staff or the choir SATB. This is easier, in my opinion, because you get 4 staffs, right? And here we are. You can change the key. You can change the all that stuff over here in the left, I believe. Maybe go to score. Right. So whatever key you've decided, you'll need to adjust this note flight file to reflect that. Then just simply go through this order that you've made yourself and input the notes on note flight. If you don't have the access to note flight, you will need to do this by hand. You'll need to write your soprano, alto, tenor, and bass by hand. It shouldn't take you too long, but it is a little bit tedious. If you need help, I'll be here today in the breakout rooms to help you.